Are clutch problems related to transmission problems? Have you ever wondered if issues with your motorcycle's clutch could be linked to transmission problems? It is a common question among riders and mechanics alike. Let's break it down. The clutch and transmission work closely together in a motorcycle. The clutch acts as the bridge between the engine and the transmission. When the clutch is functioning correctly, it allows power from the engine to flow smoothly to the transmission. However, if the clutch has problems, it can create symptoms that feel like transmission issues. The clutch is made up of friction plates and steel plates. When you engage the clutch by releasing the lever, these plates lock together. This connection transfers power from the engine to the transmission. Pulling the lever disengages the clutch, allowing you to change gears. If the friction plates wear out or if oil contaminates them, this can disrupt the power transfer. One common symptom of clutch problems is slipping gears. If the clutch plates are worn, you may notice that the engine revs up without the motorcycle accelerating. This can easily be mistaken for a transmission issue. Another symptom is difficulty shifting gears. If the clutch does not fully disengage, it can create resistance when you try to change gears. This might feel like a problem with the transmission itself. Unusual noises can also be a sign of trouble. Grinding or rattling sounds from the clutch area may be misinterpreted as damage within the transmission. It is important to consider these overlapping symptoms when troubleshooting. When diagnosing these issues, check the clutch adjustment first. If the cable tension or hydraulic pressure is off, it can prevent the clutch from fully engaging or disengaging. This can put extra stress on the transmission components. Oil quality is another key factor. Motorcycles with wet clutches relying on clean oil for proper lubrication. If the oil becomes contaminated, it can lead to accelerated clutch wear and may even circulate debris into the transmission. Additionally, if the clutch basket or hub is failing, it can introduce metal fragments into the transmission. This can compound any existing mechanical damage. To diagnose slipping, try this simple test. In higher gears, open the throttle quickly. If the engine revs without a corresponding increase in speed, the clutch is likely slipping. Next, check for engagement issues. If the motorcycle creeps forward with the clutch lever fully pulled, the plates may be dragging. Lastly, inspect the oil. If it looks milky or has metallic particles, this indicates cross-contamination between the clutch and transmission. While the clutch and transmission are separate systems, their problems often overlap. It is wise to inspect both when diagnosing issues. Regular maintenance of both the clutch and transmission fluid is essential to avoid further complications. Understanding these connections can help you keep your motorcycle running smoothly.